So if you're looking for an outdoor project this fall or spring and you're trying to decide, is it a covered patio I want? Is it a covered deck I want? Maybe a lanai. I think a lot of the lanai verbiage gets mixed in with a covered deck and patio is what we're seeing in terms of search and what people are filling out on their forms and when we show up. So I think covered deck, patio, and lanai are pretty much the same. I think when you look at the difference between a deck and a patio is basically the elevation on the back of the house. If you've got a walkout basement, you're looking for a covered deck, because that's 10 foot off the ground that we're playing with. In terms of a covered patio, you might be saying, okay, well, maybe I've got a few stairs out the back of my house, maybe one or two. I have a deck now. Can I just put the stairs up next to the back door and get down on the patio and be on the same, plane surface? Which, that we do that a lot. In that instance, it would be covered patio. So I think the elevation that you're dealing with, whether you have and generally what we see is if you have a walkout basement or a daylight basement, you're probably looking at a covered deck project. If you have a level backyard where maybe you don't have a finished basement and you're walking out the back door and you've got a couple steps down right now to the ground, maybe you have a deck, maybe you have a patio, but that's when you would probably fit that scenario of a patio better. And then the front porch, is we do a lot of front porch remodels. Those are kind of an entity of their own, but doing the same thing you do on the covered deck and patio, just covering the front porch. And most times we're covering from sunlight exposure. Want to leave the front door open so they can see out the front, but in the afternoon it gets too hot or westerly sun. So those are the differences and options that you have for covered deck, patio, and porch.